welcome to your day 21 of 30-day journey. We have already reached to the end of third week, and today's practice is a little special one. Today we'll learn how to bring our focus. Something that I've heard often is that, oh, I'm not able to meditate, I don't know how to meditate, or maybe meditation is not for me. So, which is why today's practice is offering you a technique that can help you sit still and bring your attention at one point. Let's get seated into a comfortable position, keeping your shoulders relaxed, keeping your chest relaxed. Allow your body to feel comfortable wherever it is today. Without making any changes, just notice how you're breathing right now. Keep your both hands on your heart. Let's chant Om sound after the next inhalation. Inhale. Very gently relax your hands, keeping your eyes closed, setting a simple intention for a practice. As you stay here today, I want you to keep your eyes closed and bring in your imagination. Allow your imagination to let you feel welcomed with every navigation. You're sitting in a beautiful place which is completely dark. You're sitting in a room that is surrounded by darkness that does not make you feel scared. It's dark, but it still feels like home. You're here, but you're not scared. Everywhere around you is darkness, and yet you feel safe. You're inside your own body. In this darkness, there's just lack of light that does not necessarily means not good. As you're here, you notice from one corner of the room a very small dot, a small ray of light slowly entering the room, very slowly entering the room. And as it enters the room, the first thing it touches is the top of your head. The ray of light comes and hits you very softly, kissing you on your forehead. That light is soothing and healing in its energy. You slowly notice that light is like a beautiful shield that is slowly coating you from top, going further down, bringing you into brightness, bringing you into the light, slowly covering your face from the front, slowly covering your face from the back, going down on the neck. Feel that warmth, slowly going down from your shoulders. Beautiful 360-degree shield coating you from the front and back, from the top of your spine, going to the middle of your spine, to all the way to the lower spine, to your complete arm, to your waist, traveling further down. Feel it as you envision it. Feel the warmth all the way reaching to your thighs, reaching to your beautiful supporting knees, reaching down to your shin and your calf, reaching down to your ankles, toes, and the soles of your feet. And as it touches the soles of your feet, it starts spreading in the room, brightening the room to every corner possible. Beautiful spread of that white, warm, healing light. You can slowly see a bright room, color that you really like, in its lightest shade is spread across the room. And you notice a beautiful door. This room has a beautiful door, and you're curious about what this door has behind of it. You slowly get up gently, still feeling that light and energy that you have just covered yourself under, and walking towards the door, step by step, touching your hand on that doorknob. You slowly rotate the doorknob, feeling the click of opening of the door. You slowly open to find even brighter light outside the room, outside the door. You cover your eyes to protect that sharp amount of light entering you, and slowly you step outside, making your eyes little by little comfortable to gently open. As you step your first step out, you sense and feel sand on your feet. Placing both the legs outside the door, you look down and you notice that you're surrounded by beautiful sand, light brown, soft sand. As you walk yourself closer and step away from the door, you keep walking ahead out of curiosity to notice where are you exactly right now. You can hear the beautiful sounds of wave as you keep walking, and that's drawing you further closer. You want to go closer to the sound. You're walking, feeling that soft sand caress your feet. It's a little warm and soothing. It's just the right breeze that makes that place very, very calming and welcoming. All of a sudden, you see the shore, you see the beach, that sound of the wave is coming from this beautiful long stretch of beach, and looking at that water, you're a little overjoyed, a little joy that make you go a little faster towards the beach, towards the water, to touch that water. You're happily running towards the water, enjoying the temperature, enjoying the breeze. You reach just at the edge of the water, right? Wherever the water is, you have reached yourself there. And as you step your both the feet closest, there's one big wave that comes and it slowly brushes you and touches you with the water. You feel the cool sensation, that cold touch of the water, which is healing and making you feel so calm. Another wave of water coming towards you and touches your ankle this time with a higher tide. You feel your feet sinking a little deeper into the sand as the wave leaves you. You readjust and step yourself, and you're slowly walking towards the water, wanting to go inside this beautiful ocean, feeling happy with the touch of the water, the coolness of the temperature, and how healing it feels. Every time the wave comes towards you and hits you, it lets you wash away the tiredness from your system. Another wave coming, gushing at you. You're a little overjoyed with the force of the wave. And as the wave goes away from you, you see the tension going away. Another wave coming at you, and you see the tension being washed away along with the wave. You're standing still and noticing that wave wash you from all your tiredness, all your stiffness, all your lethargicness. Wave by wave, making you lighter and calmer. The sound of this wave is very calming, very soothing. You slowly surrender yourself, neck down deep into the ocean, and your legs have become lighter and softer. You slowly find yourself floating with the waves, enjoying how weightless you feel right now. As you're enjoying the waves, you're feeling lighter, calmer, and surrendered. Every in of the wave is bringing positive energy. Every wash away of the wave is taking away all the negative energy. You slowly find your center, finding connection with the sand again. You feel the touch of the water and give yourself a good, nice hug inside the ocean, thanking yourself for bringing yourself here. Relax your hands. You slowly, feeling relaxed and content, start walking away from the waves. You're slowly coming out of the water, enjoying this beautiful sand, beautiful combination of sun, water, and sand. Elements from the earth, jal, agni, elements of the nature. You're walking and you've come out of the water. You take one look again into the ocean, turning around, giving a good sigh out. Inhale, breathe the breeze and exhale, sigh out. Slowly, you turn around towards the door. You're feeling lighter as you walk towards your door. You're feeling lighter as you Feel that sand with your wet feet. You're walking slowly, enjoying and being in your space, enjoying where you are without rushing to reach that door. You're walking, you've finally reached the door. Before you enter, you will dust away the sand from your feet and step on one edge of the door. Hold on to the doorknob, slowly turning the doorknob as you open the door. You see the door leads you to a room which is full of flowers. This is the same room you were sitting in. This is the same room from where you went out, and you are entered to this beautiful valley of flowers. That's still the room, that's still the body. You enter and you are overjoyed looking at the beautiful colors in the room. Some small butterflies, amazing colors that makes you feel warm, welcome and at home. Every color is making you feel healed. You have a beautiful smile on your face. You come back sitting down, embracing and accepting everything that you're surrounded with, acknowledging that we hold the power to make us feel how we want to feel. This room is the inner you. You have the power to be in this valley of flowers within you or in the darkness. Both is your choice. You slowly embrace the energy and the light. Take a one beautiful, nice hug. Wrap your arms around your shoulder. Give yourself a good, beautiful hug, tight and nice. Accepting and coming to this physical present state. Welcome yourself back, closing your eyes from the imaginary state, and you come back to this physical present state. Open your eyes and welcome. Welcome to this present. I'm so glad that you were here with me in this beautiful journey. Thank you so much.